If you... This is attractive. More of this more often, please. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany, and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video is going to be the next installment in my Zodiac series. Can you believe I have actually done each month during the time of that specific Zodiac without missing a beat? I was almost late with the last one. Which was it? What was it? Virgo. I was almost late with Virgo, but I got it right under the wire. And now I'm filming the Libra. So that's what this is going to be. It's going to be my look inspired by the Libra. Which I'm actually really excited to do because I just looked up the color story of the Libra and it's actually something that I'm vibing with right now. It's pastels. It's like light blues, pinks, pistachio, peach, lavender. It's all that shit. And I really feel like doing that right now. I feel like it'll go cute with like the side pony. And I probably won't wear this sweater today because I have a tattoo appointment today and I'm going to need my arms to be free because I don't know where I'm getting it yet. But I feel like it's just my vibe lately and I want to do a pastel look. And how often do you have the luxury to do a pastel eye look? Anyways, if you are excited about this video or you like it at any point while you're watching it, give it a like if you like because I would like to know what you like. And of course subscribe because that'd be tight. That would just be tight. Thanks. And I think it's time we start talking about it and start being about it. Are you catching what I'm throwing? Are you feeling what I'm spitting? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So let's just do that. Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see my Libra inspired makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay, so the palette that I'm going to use for this, I realized I have one palette that has every shade on the Libra listed, and it is the Jawbreaker palette. I knew that this palette was going to come in handy for colorful makeup looks, so this is what we're going to be using. My eyes are already primed with the Jeffree Star concealer, coincidentally, and I did set them with powder, which maybe I shouldn't have, but I did, so let's move on. Which shades are we using? So we're going to be going in with a bunch of them today. The ones that I'm thinking of using are, okay, Brain Freeze for the light blue, Bubblegum, Sour, which I don't love this shade, but it is pistachio-ish. Light aqua, peach, lavender. Yeah, those are all the shades. So we gonna be colorful as fuck today. Okay, I'm going to pull you in, and we're going to put makeup on my eyes. And maybe it would help if I look at you when I'm speaking to you. Maybe that would help. This is exactly what a conversation in person would be like with me, though. I would look at you for like a second, then I'd look over here, then I'd look at you for like a second, then I'd look over there, and then I'd look for you at you for a second, and then I would look down. Because eye contact makes me uncomfortable. Okay. Let's bring your motherfucking in now. Now that you are so in my face, let's begin. So how do I want to do this? Let's look at this real quick. That on the lower lash line. So I want that in the crease. Okay, I think I know how I'm going to do it. Let's start by getting a brush. Step 1. Make sure it's cleanish. Step 2. And I'm going to start by taking Brain Freeze and putting that in the start of the crease. So we're going to do like 2, 3, cut crease situation because we got a lot of colors to play with, and let's just see how it goes. So I'm dipping into Brain Freeze, tapping it off, and I'm going to start packing it in. With these pastel shades, you want to kind of do a packing motion because otherwise you see they're not gonna be that bright. See, this is why a sticky base would have been good, but I done fucked up. Now let's hope that this stays on all day because I am thinking if I like how this looks, I'm gonna wear it to my appointment today, but then again, I always say that and I never wear anything out, so we'll see. Just like, I don't know if you saw my Virgo video, but I said I was gonna wear that really pretty like Virgo makeup to dinner, and you know what I didn't do? Wear that makeup to dinner. Never do. Okay, I'm now going to take Gumdrop and blend that into the center of the upper crease. I love a purple moment like this. I really like lavender, so. just like that. And now we're going to take bubble gum and we're going to do the outermost crease and kind of do it in like a wing type shape, like I enjoy. This is actually going a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought this video was going to be long as shit, because I thought this was going to take a lot longer, but I don't know. Once I get into like a creative space, it goes a lot faster. And I just kind of go with it, man. I'm blending that into both, not both, I'm blending that into the purple, so both shades are all blended. I like those three together a lot. Hopefully putting those greens on the lid isn't going to ruin this, but you know what, it might. It might. We'll see. We're just getting colorful AF in this piece. Now I'm going to bring it kind of down like that on each side. Ooh, bitch. I'm going to take a clean brush with nothing on it and just kind of hit like the edges of these to get rid of that like blunt line, which is very easy because these things want to blend away. They do. Pastels are tough as fuck. Okay, now we gotta cut the crease. Shape tape, because why not? And I'm actually gonna leave the cut crease area sticky because this frickin' sour shade does not work that well. If I'm honest, it's my least favorite shade in the palette. So I feel like if I leave it sticky, maybe it'll show. Maybe. Now I need a cut crease brush. Which brush do we want to use? Well, let's use this one. This looks good, right? I think that's what I usually use. Yeah, it's clean. So we're going to go in with this brush. We're going to dip in the concealer. We're going to tap off the concealer. We're going to tap, 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 tap. I never do cut creases. I'm not good at them. So I'm going to put it down right there. I'm going to like open my eyes to see where it touches. It didn't really do it. Okay, let's do it a little higher. Can see how my eye folds in? There we go. So now we know how high to put it, which is right there. And I'm going to go to that line and I'm going to pull down. We're not going to do like a winged cut crease. We're going to just do the lid. I'm just going to cut the lid out, because that is what I want. Yeah. BRB, I have trouble with these. Now I'm going to tap over it because I don't want like a ton of thick concealer on my eye. I'm not the biggest fan of that feeling. And there's the shape we have. Is it exactly what I wanted? No, I went a little high right here, but you know what? It's the best I can do. Okay? Okay. Now I gotta make the other eye match. So this should be fun. I will say I'm watching my timer right now, and I've done all of this, including my intro, in 11 minutes. I'm just gonna say that feels like talent. Now let's see how long it takes me to do this other side. 1 second. Okay, so are we even? You know? We're pretty close. I think we're as close as we're gonna get. That's not bad as far as being even. I can stop there. I will stop there, because if I keep going, these are gonna go up to there. We're gonna lose all the crease work, and I'm gonna be really irritated. So let's move on. Tap over this, make sure it's not too thick. It's all up in my eyelashes though, so that's fun. Okay, just leave that there. Why not? Sure. Now I need like a packing brush, precision packing brush. By the way, that took like 3 minutes. Let's try this brush. Why not? Okay, and we're gonna go in with Cute on the front half and Sour on the other half. So let's dip into Cute, this pale aqua shade. That's very, very cute. Ooh, is that gonna be too close to Brain Freeze? No, that's our next shade. Okay, let's just hope it's not. Let's tap it on the lid. Now it's different enough. I think we should be okay. Fuck, no it's not. Ugh! Shit. Okay. Game plan is changed. I'm going to try to wipe that off. I don't think it's going to work. I'm going to have to put more concealer over it. And we're going to put the peach on the lid, which is not at all what my plan was. Things have to change because this didn't work the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to cover that up. I'm going to tap that out. That was an easy fix, actually. Just that this eye is going to feel a little thicker than this eye. And even if I don't feel it, I'm going to subconsciously know it. And I'm going to be like going crazy. But you know what? The show must go on. I'm going to take Book. And I'm going to tap that all over the lid. And see how that goes. It's a really pretty shade. It's just not exactly what I was going for. This looks going to be ridiculous. I'm realizing this now. This is our peach in our Libra color story. It's a little more neon than pastel, but you know. This looks ridiculous. I am unhappy. I have to redo this. I'm not wearing this out. This is ridiculous. I'm so sorry, Libras. Maybe it'll come together at the end. Probably not, though. I'm so sorry. Oh, I hate it. You know, it's not that bad, actually. It's not what I wanted or what I expected, but it's not, like, the worst thing I've ever done. What do you guys think? I don't know. We have to wait and see how it looks once the lashes, because I wear lashes, the mascara is on. So now we're going to take Sour, we're going to put that in the lower lash line. We're going to pack it because it doesn't work. Oh, it's showing up. It's showing up. And now I'm going to take Cute and I'm going to put that on the lower in the front, which is a cute little shade. Yeah. Well, sure. Let's throw some Breakfast at Tiffany's in my waterline to tie this together. Just because right now, there we go. That did something. That did what I wanted it to do. Okay. Now I like it. That's all it took. Now I like it. Why not? Okay, I'm going to quickly go ahead and pop on some mascara and a lip. And I will come back to show you the final look. Yeah, just a second. Be right back. Be right back. Okay, guys, this is the completed look. I like it so much better with mascara on and a lip on and that green in the waterline. I'm actually not hating it as much as I thought I was going to. I can't believe how quick I did this look, though. Can you believe how quick this video is, considering how, like, colorful this look is and that it was cut crease? I don't know. I feel like I did that quick as shit. Quick as shit. But, yeah, this is the completed Libra look. Let me know if you like it. I think I do. I think I do. What do you think? Do I? I don't know. I think I do. I think I do. If you are a Libra, happy birthday, belated birthday, or almost birthday, because it is going to be your birthday. It is the time for you. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you like it. So I'm going to be filming the October birthstone video soon. Let me know what you'd rather see, because there's an opal, and then the other stone is pink. I want to do opal, but I don't know how I would do it. It's driving me crazy because I would want to do it right, but like with my moonstone video, I don't like how that look turned out as much as in my imagination it was much better, and I feel like that would be the same thing with opal, and I'd be disappointed, but let me know which one you would like. Also, I leave for Hawaii in 3 weeks, so let me know what type of video you would like to see, because I'm going to film something, like a vlog, probably a vlog. I'm probably going to do a vlog. Okay, I don't need to know. I'm going to do a vlog. But I'm going to be doing that, so there might be a little lull in videos in October, just simply because I'm going to be gone for 8 days in Maui. Let me know if you know of anything to do out there, too, that I need to do, because I'm going. And anyways, that completes this video. Of course, give it a like if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on my other social media, Bradderstein is for my makeup Instagram and my Twitter, and Fatterstein is for my fitness Instagram. If you want to watch me do the journey to lose 100 pounds, that's where you would watch that. And if you want to binge me, click one of these. That's it. That's the gist of it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Later, players. Bye.